carbon is an incredibly versatile element, forming the basis of all known life on Earth, and playing a central role in the chemistry of living organisms. Its ability to form diverse compounds stems from its unique bonding properties, allowing it to form stable covalent bonds with other carbon atoms and with a variety of other elements. This versatility gives rise to a vast array of carbon compounds, ranging from simple molecules like carbon dioxide to complex polymers like DNA. One of the simplest carbon compounds is methane CH4, consisting of one carbon atom bonded to 4 hydrogen atoms. Methane is a major component of natural gas and is produced by anaerobic bacteria during the decomposition of organic matter in environments such as wetlands and the digestive systems of animals. It is also a potent greenhouse gas, contributing to climate change when released into the atmosphere. Moving up in complexity, ethane C2H6 is another simple carbon compound composed of 2 carbon atoms bonded to 6 hydrogen atoms. Ethane is a key component of natural gas and is commonly used as a fuel for heating and cooking. It is also a precursor to many other important chemicals, including ethylene, which is used in the production of plastics and solvents. Ethylene C2H4 is a simple hydrocarbon with a double bond between 2 carbon atoms. It is a crucial building block in the petrochemical industry, serving as the starting material for the synthesis of various plastics, including polyethylene, one of the most widely used plastics in the world. Moving to more complex carbon compounds, propane C3H8 consists of 3 carbon atoms bonded to 8 hydrogen atoms. Like ethane, propane is a component of natural gas and is commonly used as a fuel for heating and cooking, as well as in vehicles and industrial processes. Butane C4H10 is another carbon compound with 4 carbon atoms bonded to 10 hydrogen atoms. It is commonly used as a fuel in portable stoves, lighters, and camping equipment due to its high energy density and ease of storage. As the carbon chain length increases, so does the complexity and diversity of carbon compounds. Pentane C5H12, hexane C6H14, heptane C7H16, and octane C8H18 are all examples of straight-chain alkanes commonly found in gasoline and other fuels. Benzene C6H6 is a simple aromatic hydrocarbon consisting of a ring of 6 carbon atoms bonded to alternating single and double bonds. It is a key component of many organic solvents and is widely used as a precursor in the synthesis of numerous chemicals, including plastics, pharmaceuticals, and dyes. Moving beyond hydrocarbons, carbon dioxide is a simple carbon compound composed of 1 carbon atom bonded to 2 oxygen atoms. It is produced by various natural processes, including respiration in animals and combustion of fossil fuels, and plays a crucial role in the Earth's carbon cycle.